Hello there, hope you are doing great. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a really useful trick in Microsoft Word, how to show and hide a table inside your document with just a checkbox. So imagine you are designing a fillable form for clients or maybe employees. Sometimes you may want to include a detailed pricing table or maybe a section for extra notes, but only when it's needed. With this method, you can keep your document clean and professional and reveal the table only when it's relevant. With a single click, the table can appear or disappear completely from your document layout. So without wasting our time, let's jump right in and I will walk you through step by step. Alright, so I'm going to use this request form as an example to show you, and in this form we have three separate tables, and in this case I want to change the presence of request details section or the table. So first I'm going to bookmark this table. So select the entire table using this icon and go to the top ribbon under the insert tab. You have to click on bookmark and assign bookmark name in this window. And when you are done, just simply click add button. So now our table assigned with the bookmark, and then now we have to place our checkbox that will control the visibility of this table. So simply go back to the top ribbon and under developer tab. Remember, if you don't have a developer tab visible in your Microsoft Word, all you have to do is right click anywhere on the ribbon at the top and then select customize ribbon. Then this window will show up and you will see over here on the right hand side in this menu, make sure that the developer box is checked and selected, and then click OK. Alright, there you have the developer tab. And now simply under developer tab you have the control section here where you have form fields. Over here to ActiveX controls form fields and then select the checkbox. Now right click on the checkbox and go to the properties. A window will appear with lots of different options. Here you can change the name of the checkbox, but for now we will leave it as it is. What we will change is the label of the checkbox. You can do this in the caption field, and I will change mine to the request details. And in the font section you can also adjust the font name and size if you like. So once you are done, close the properties window. So far we have done two things. We bookmarked the table and we added a checkbox. Now here's the interesting part. We need to program the checkbox so it can control the visibility of the table. To do that, we will use a small VBA script here. I have already prepared the code for you and added in description box, so you don't have to type it out. Now simply double click the checkbox. A VBA window will open. In that window, just copy the code from the description box and paste it there. But make sure the bookmark of your table and the name of your checkbox match correctly inside the code, otherwise it won't work. So for example, checkbox 1 is our checkbox name, which is correctly mentioned, and bookmark of the table is written here. You can adjust according to your given bookmark. So now when you are done, just simply close this VBA window. And now let's test it and see if everything works. Click on the checkbox and you will notice the request details table disappears when the checkbox is unchecked, and when you check it again, the table instantly pops back into place. The best part is that Word automatically adjusts the layout of the document, so there are no awkward gaps or extra spaces. Everything looks clean and professional. So this makes your form more dynamic, user-friendly, and keeps the document neat whether the table is shown or hidden. And that's it. You have just learned how to show and hide a table in Microsoft Word using a simple checkbox and a bit of VBA code. This trick is perfect for making your forms and documents more interactive and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Word and VBA tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.